Good morning, Teacher Robert. Good morning, classmates. I am Rhea Jane P. Caro together with Anika Renji Velasquez. Today we are going to report about plant adaptations. What is plant adaptations? Have you ever wondered how plants are able to adapt environments? What is adaptation? Adaptation is a unique characteristic of an organism that enables it to adjust to the changing condition of the environment. Let's go to the next slide. What is body structures of plants? Both terrestrial and aquatic plants have developed specialized structures to adapt to various environmental threats to conditions. Number 1. For protection. The thorns, spines, or prickles which hurt living beings that got too close. Number 2. For reproduction, some flowers have large, bright-colored petals and a sweet scent to attract pollinators to collect pollen. Number 3. For getting basic needs. The basic need parts help the plants to get their basic needs like sunlight and photosynthesis. Thank you for listening, and let's go to Anika's slide.
Specialized body structures of some plants. Root systems. Most plants have deep root systems that give them efficient water underground, unlike epiphytes. Epiphytes have aerial roots which go above the ground to get moisture from the air instead. Specialized leaves. Some are used to minimize water loss, some for fungal growth prevention or trapping insects the moment they touch them. Modified stems. These are runners, rhizomes, tubers, bulbs, and suckers. Both are underground stems containing stored food that helps ensure plants have nutrients. Suckers are new shoots that grow from the main stem. Runners are stems that grow horizontally above the ground. Tubers are large underground stems where buds develop. Rhizomes are special underground stems that help plants survive even in harsh conditions. Examples are storing water. Here is a 5-item quiz to know if you really understand the lesson.